Hi, welcome to CT Education, and we're going to set up Python. Python is an open source programming language, and it's very powerful and it's widely used throughout the world. So to get to the program, you just go to www.python.org, and I'm going to launch that website now. Here it is, www.python.org. And I'm going to go to, there's plenty of documentation here and learning manuals and a wide variety of resources here, but I'm going to go to the download option here. And you can download for Windows or you can download for Linux or Macintosh, whatever operating system you're working on. In this case, I'm going to download for Windows. I've already downloaded the software here, so once it downloads, I have an option here to run the program, and I will now run it. And it will start extracting files and here we'll go. We'll run it for all users. We'll put it into the default place, which is Python 3.3. And we're going to overwrite these files, yes. Okay, basically, you can just choose all the defaults, and it will start. So once you have the finished installation, basically we just need to hit finish, and now we've installed the software program. Now, if we go to look up Python here, there's several options here within Python. There's the idle, which is the one we're going to focus on. Idle is the IDE. It's a simple text editor to enter our code with Python. But there's plenty of other things here to do. Like if you want to look at the manuals and look at the documentation of the software program, that's great. But we'll go ahead and just open up idle. Idle is the main program we'll be using. Again, it's a simple text editor, and it looks something like this. Generally speaking, when we open up in the shell, but we can open up a new file to create our code. And our code here, I'm just going to do a very simple program here. It's called print hello, and you can obviously guess what it does. Whenever you run a program, you need to save it. You can use Control S. So I'm going to save it here, and you have to call it something. I'm going to call it a test. And it always saves it as a .py. A py is a Python file. It is a, and I'll go ahead and replace my test file. And now once I have it, once I have the program saved, I can run it, and you can just hit F5 to run it, and it says hello. Or you can always go to the run. You can always go to run here, run module, or F5, and it runs the program for you. And it says hello. So that's basically it. All you need to do is to install and set up Python and work with idle, and now you are set and ready to go. Thank you.